Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use the Motion Array Final Cut Pro templates tutorial in 2025. This is very easy guys. I just want you to go to motionarray.com, then just click on video templates in here and just select Final Cut Pro. This is very important, okay? And you can have a bunch of different templates that you can use in here, each with its own different style. So what I'm going to recommend you do is that you filter them. You can filter them depending on the category, such as infographics and intros, our openers, lower thirds, and things like that. And you can also use the keywords. Okay, this is very important. Just use different keywords such as grid, colorful, technological, things like that, depending on the style that you want to get. Okay, so just click on your preferred one. In my case, it's going to be this one here, and just click on download. Okay, now this is going to download like a ZIP file that you're going to have to extract. And now basically you can just open the template, okay? It's gonna be like FCP XML file. So yeah, you can just open it using Final Cut Pro. Just click on File and Open or Import, okay? That's it, and thank you so much, guys.